2021, Sunday, March 7th, 11 a.m. I guess working on cars or having a car shop is not just about working on cars. It's what does it take to get there? So, my first vlog. Abby, you still want your pretzels?
Yes.
And the stick pretzels? Okay. Here you go, Abby. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What did I have?
I'm gonna drop my cat.
Corn Pops. Time to do dishes. My steel toes. Steel toes, very important, especially when you're going to work on lifting an engine from the ground, getting it ready to put on an engine stand. I just realized that my car cover came off of my N600. I thought I tied that down. Oh, I did. To one side, which is why it didn't fly away, but it did fly off. I'll fix that later. It's a little messy here, and I want to go ahead and clean some of this stuff up. Put this engine on the actual engine stand. That's right over there. And see if I can finish that cabinet. And there's a new one still in the box right over there. So I got some work to do, and I'm hoping I can do it in the next hour or two. Maybe run to the store and pick up some tools. Well, stuff for tools. I'd need another socket holder for my socket set so I can put the rest of them, and I don't have to carry this big thing around. Keep this in a drawer and clean up a bit. It's messy. So where do I start first? I think I'll finish the cabinet. One down, one to go. Not bad. Came a bit damaged, so you can see up here it's a little bit uneven, but can't do much about it. I think the whole door is bent. As long as it opens and closes, I'm good to go. So I'll get started on that second box over there and continue to make progress. I had to close the actual gates, front and back, because the wind is terrible. Everything was blowing everywhere, too noisy. Distractions. cabinets are all done. We got this one here, and we have the second one there. And now it's time to hang them up and see if I can organize this floor a little bit and get this engine on that engine stand. And I think I'm good for today, but that's what it takes, man. It's not all fun and games. It's usually a lot of cleanup and maintenance before you can even plan to do anything here. And then the projects follow. Those are up. One of them is a bit slanted because I have no back support here. So there's a big gap. Probably put 2 pieces of 2x4 to bring it forward, just like I've done with this one. This one is nice and straight, but it's because I have 2x4s right here. So yeah, more work, but let me clean up. Taking out the trash, another one of those things. What a mess. I need to organize better. I need to learn that once I'm done for the day, that I should clean up shop so that when I open up to work on anything, I don't have to worry about organizing before I can work. Very frustrating to open up and see a mess all over the place. Makes you want to close it back down and not do anything for the day. Subaru stuff. This is for the Subaru engine swap. Safety gear. Prevent loud noises from getting in. Unboxing. Not that I do any of those, but you know. I think it's time to mount that engine. I got the actual bolts clean. The thread inside the engine block, I got those cleaned out. And it's time to just get this stuff attached. Let's do it. Base plate on. And now it's time to chain this up. Put it on the stand. Everything is cleaned up, got everything organized. It's 4/21 Sunday, And that's pretty much how it goes. There's nothing special about having your own shop other than whatever you want it to mean. And at the end of the day, it's not just about fixing cars, it's actually what gets you there. And for me, it's more of the time I have, the spare time, I should say. It's fun stuff, but it's hard work. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff. You only get to see what anyone puts out for their channel on camera, whatever they don't cut out, whatever that may be. But at the end of the day, it's what you make of it. There's nothing crazy to really think about. There's no big savings. There's no hidden, this person has a lot of money doing this and that. It's not really it. What gets you there is just you motivating yourself to work on your own projects, which is what I pretty much do. So don't think much of it. If you want to work on cars, work on cars. Whatever it is that you want to do, just work on it. There's no secret to being successful other than just being motivated and wanting to do the things that you want to do. And I really enjoy this stuff, but it takes a lot of work. It takes some stuff to do, and it's not every day that you get to do the fun stuff. It's not every day that you're working on a car, on a specific project. It's a lot of research that goes with it. What is it that you need to do to accomplish this specific project or this specific task? And a lot of that planning, people don't ever see it. But it's what it takes, as well as spending time with friends and family in between, and cleaning and setting things up like I just did. It's not just fun and games every single time. It does take work, it takes patience, and it takes time. And always put your friends and family first, or family and friends in that order, and take care of yourself before you think about generating a video just for views. It has to be out of love. It has to be a passion. It has to be something you really want to do. Because if you're doing it for money and for recognition, it's going to beat you up, and you're going to get exhausted. And you'll also end up feeling like the hobby isn't the hobby anymore. It just became a job. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing else to say. First vlog. Check you guys next time.